Yes. Can you see? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, please note down this heading, comparing the fraction. There are, so how to compare the like fraction and how to compare the unlike fraction. Okay. So like, for example, if I say 1/2 and 3/2, they are like fraction. So which fraction is greater? So in like fraction, we will see the numerator. The larger numerator fraction is greater. Okay. So this will be greater. Here 3 is more than 1. So 3/2 will be more than 1/2. Okay. Understood, children? So like fraction, how to compare the like fraction, which number would be larger? So how I will compare? In like fractions, I'll see the numerator value. Okay, the larger numerator fraction is 3/2. Larger numerator fraction is 3/2. So larger numerator fraction will be greater. Understood? So you can write larger numerator fraction is greater. Larger numerator fraction is greater. Understood, children? So if I say 1/4 and 11/4, which number is larger? Which number is larger?
Ma'am, 1/4.
Ma'am, 11.
11/4, numerator. The numerator, which numerator is larger? 11 is larger, so 11/4 will be larger. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now if I say 7/8 and 81/8, which fraction is larger?
81/8.
81/8.
Yes, because 81/8 numerator is larger. Okay. So this is the way to compare the like fraction. Now we will see how to compare the unlike fraction. Okay. So let us take example like 1/2 and 1/3. So which number is larger? So children, there is a simple trick.
1/3.
Cross multiply. Cross multiplied number. Cross multiplied number. Okay. Cross multiply the number. So 1/2 and 1/3. We will cross multiply. This is also known as butterfly method. So 1 into 3 is 3 and 2 into 1 is 2. So which number is larger? The cross multiplication 3 is larger. So 3 corresponding to 1/2. So 1/2 is larger than 1/3. 1/2 is larger than 1/3. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It's simple.
I need to note it.
Please note it down. Yes, children. Understood? Okay. So let us take more examples. If I say this is example 1. Okay. So you children, you don't have to do anything. You just cross multiply. Okay. The first fraction numerator with the second fraction denominator. Cross multiply these two numbers, it is 3. Cross multiply these two numbers, first fraction denominator with second fraction numerator. So in cross multiplication, you will see you get only one number. Okay. So which multiplication is more? 3 is more than 2. And corresponding factor of 3 is, fraction of 3 is 1/2. So 1/2 will be more than 1/3. Okay, children? This is the simplest way, easiest way.
Mom,
Okay. Yes.
Mom, can you explain it once again?
Yes. Yes. See, for example, I am taking 4/2 and 3/8. Okay. So which fraction is larger? They are unlike fraction, na? Their denominator are not same. So unlike fraction, we will cross multiply the numbers. 4 into 8 is 4 into 8. And if we multiply
32.
3 into 2. So which number is larger? 32 is larger than 6, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So this cross multiplication is corresponding to 4/2. So 4/2 is larger than 3/8.
Okay, ma'am. Mom, this is for every unlike fraction when we are comparing.
This is for all unlike
Okay.
fraction.
Okay.
All type of unlike fraction. Okay. Like fraction, you can easily tell by seeing its numerator. But unlike fraction, we cannot tell directly by seeing its numerator. So we have to cross multiply. So whichever cross multiplication would be more, corresponding to that multiplication, corresponding fraction of that multiplication would be greater. Okay, please on your webcam. Noted, children? Advika or Swat, on your webcam. Yes. Please note it down, children. Tarkeshwaram, understood? Okay. So let us solve the example. Okay. So yes, first is 4/5 and 5/6. Which number is larger?
4/5.
4/5.
4/5.
5/6.
4/5 is,
5/6.
we will
4/5.
see cross multiplication. 6 into 4 is 24.
24.
5 into 5 is 25. So which number is larger? 25 is larger. So corresponding fraction to 25 is 5/6. Understood, children? So 5/6 is larger than 4/5.
Mom, but you said whenever we are comparing any unlike fraction, it will always be the small one.
No, larger value. Here also we have seen larger value. No, 4 into 8, 32. And 3
Okay,
into
ma'am.
6. So 32 was greater than 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Always see the larger value. Okay, children.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay, one more question. Yes. 3/7 and 3/11. Which number is larger?
Ma'am, 3/11. 3/11.
3/11. Why? Because cross multiplication is 33. Here the cross multiplication
Ma'am.
is 21.
Ma'am,
So
is 3
3 by 7 is greater than 3 by 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Advika,
Ma'am,
your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. You said 3 by 11. How it is 3 by 11? If I cross multiply 3 into 11, 33. 7 into 3 is 21. So 33 is more than 21, na? So corresponding fraction of 33 is 3 by 7.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Children, this is the shortcut trick. In your school, your teacher might have told you the method of comparing two fraction by taking LCM. Okay. So this is the simplest. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now, children, if I say 1 by 6 and 1 by 3, which number is larger? Right here, larger sign toward the larger number.
1 by 3.
1 by 3, yes. Because if I cross multiply 3 into 1 is 3, 6 into 1 is 6. So 6 is greater than 3. So corresponding to 6, the fraction is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is more than 1 by 6. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now compare it fast. Write your answer in chat box. First one. Second one is third one. Fourth one. Yes. Write the answer, children. Soumya. First question, which number is larger? Greater?
Ma'am, 3 by 5.
3 by 5. Why? Cross multiply. 3 3s are 9. And these two cross multiply 10. So which number is larger?
2 by 3.
Yes, which number is larger, Soumya?
2 by 3.
Yes, 10 is larger. If I compare the cross multiplication, 10 is larger. So corresponding fraction of 10 is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is larger. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tarkeshwaram. Second question, which number is larger? Which fraction is larger?
Ma'am, 2 by 8. Ma'am, 2 by 8.
Deepika. Okay, 2 by 8. How? 3 into 8 is 24. 4 into 2 is 8. So 24 is greater than 8. So corresponding fraction of 24 is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 8. Yes, Deepika. Deepika, please on your webcam. On your camera.
My webcam is on only.
Okay, now just listen it. What we are discussing, we have discussed how to compare the fractions. Okay. So if they are like fraction are the fraction whose denominator are same. So in question number 3, they are like fraction. Denominator is same. Okay. So directly you can compare the fraction by seeing its numerator. Which numerator is larger?
Ma'am, 6 by 5, ma'am.
6 is larger. So 6 by 5 is larger fraction than 3 by 5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, I
7 by
sent you
9.
the answer.
7 by 9 and 3 by 9. Which number is okay? Okay, I will see. Deepika, which
Yes, ma'am.
fraction is larger? Which
Ma'am,
fraction is
3
larger?
by 9, ma'am. No.
Why?
Ma'am, 7 by 9, ma'am.
Yes, 7 by 9 is larger. Okay, children.
Denominator you are asking, ma'am.
1/4.
You were saying corresponding something corresponding fraction.
Yes. Now see, if they are unlike fraction, how to compare the unlike fraction? Unlike fraction are the fraction whose denominator are not same. So these are two unlike fractions. So unlike fraction, we do the cross multiplication. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Cross multiplication. So 1 into 8, and here the cross multiplication of number is 2 into 4. So 8 1 ja 8, 2
Ma'am,
8
ma'am,
8.
it's an equivalent fraction 2 by
Yes,
8.
they are equivalent fraction. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
they are equivalent fraction. Now 6 by 10 and 4 by 5. Deepika, which fraction is larger or greater?
Ma'am, 6 into 5 is 30 and
Yes,
4 into 10 is 40. So, ma'am,
yes,
40 is greater. So, I think 4 by 5 is.
yes. Very good, very good. Clear, correct, correct. Okay. Few
Ma'am,
children.
ma'am, can you tell me, like, if 30 is the answer, then how do we say that this number is the greater
See,
fraction?
6 into 5 is 30. 10 into 4 is 40. So 40 is greater, na? 30,
ma'am.
40. Oh, why 40 is greater than what? What is the reason?
Ma'am, because 30, like 30 is 10 lower than 40.
Huh? So 40 corresponding to 40, the fraction is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is greater than 6 by 10.
Okay, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, children. Now if I say, is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? Is 5 by 9? I'll ask one by one. Advika, is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5?
Ma'am, first we will multiply 5 into 5, which is 25. And then we'll multiply 9 into 4, which is 36. So 4 by 5 is greater.
Yes. 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 9. They are not equal. Clear? Next is Ashwath. Is
Yes,
9
ma'am.
by 6 is 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9? Which one is more?
Ma'am, first we should multiply them. 9 into 9 is 81.
Yes.
16 into 5 is 80.
Yes. So
So 9 by
9
16
by
is
6. Yes,
is
9 by 16 is yes,
great.
greater. Correct. Now we will see how to arrange the fraction in a ascending and descending order. Okay. So write down, children. Arrange the fraction in ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order.
Ma'am, we can just use a comparison method and put them in an order.
Yes, correct. So if I say 1 by 8 like fraction, 5 by 8, 3 by 8. So arrange them in a ascending order.
Ma'am, 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8.
Yes, 1 by 8, After that 3 by 8, 5 by 8. In like fraction, it is very easy. Just arrange the numerator in the ascending order. Okay, children. If I say arrange them in a descending order, then it will be 5 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8. Okay, children. Please note it down. Sritej, what happened?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. So this is ascending order, descending order. Like fraction, everything is very easy. The difficulty comes in a unlike fraction. So if I say, now you know how to compare the numbers, okay? Compare the fractions. So I think you can arrange. Okay, if I say, please do it by yourself, student. 1 by 12, 1 by 23, 1 by 5. Arrange them in a ascending order.
Ma'am, in chat.
Yes?
Ma'am, should we do it in the chat box?
Yes. All of you, please try.
Ma'am, after completing this, I'm sending you.
Ma'am, here it's actually easy because all have the numerator 1. You can cross
No.
multiply easily, ma'am.
Easily we can cross multiply. But we will compare the first two. In first two, which number is greater?
Ma'am, 1 by ma'am, greater.
Ma'am,
it's ascending order, right? Oh, okay, ma'am.
so 1 by 12 and 1 by 23. Which number is greater?
1 by 12.
1 by 12 is greater, okay? And in 1 by 12 and 1 by 5, which number is greater?
1 by 5.
Ma'am, I'm not getting how you did this one.
1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is greatest among all, right?
So, ma'am, the order is 1 by 23, 1 by 12, 1 by 5.
See, children, how will you do? First, compare these two numbers, 1 by 12 and 1 by 23. Which number is larger? See, 23 and 12. Cross multiplication is 12. So, which number is larger? 1 by 12 is larger. Okay. So, 1 by 12 is more than 1 by 23. Understood, children? Now, we will compare 1 by 12 with 1 by 5. 1 by 12 and 1 by 5. Which number is larger? 5 and 12. Which number is larger? 1 by 5 is larger. Okay. So, in 1 by 12 and 1 by 5, 1 by 5 is larger than 1 by 12. Okay. And 1 by 12 is larger than 1 upon 23. So, which number is larger? 1 by 5, then 1 by 12, then 1 by 23. Understood, children?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
just have to compare the two numbers. Two numbers. 1 by 23, take first two. So first two, 1 by 12 is greater. Okay. Next, take first and third. First and third, third number is greater. Okay. So 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 12 and 1 by 12 is greater than 1 by 23. So how will you arrange?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, here
Yes.
you said ascending order, ma'am. But you wrote from greatest to smallest. It should be smallest to greatest, right, ma'am?
Yes, it is descending order.
Ma'am, you wrote above ascending.
It is descending order and ascending order. Just take the smaller number first. 1 by 12, 1 by 5.
Okay, ma'am.
This is ascending order. Is it clear? How many of you got Yes, Anvit correct. Shritesh correct. Children, have you got this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya? Okay. Soumya, on your webcam. Anvit, Adya. Adya, on your webcam. Anvit, did you get
Ma'am, can you
how
wait?
to come?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tarkeshwaram, tell. Adya, did you get? Okay. Soumya. Okay, children. Very good. Now, children, if I say, is it written? Raise your hand if it is written. Adya, is it written? Okay. Yes. Now, children, if I say 3 by 7, 3 by 11, 3 by 5, write them in a descending order. Yes. Soumya will tell. Soumya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How would you arrange them in a descending order?
Ma'am, I'm not done.
Okay, do it. Adya, is it done?
Done, ma'am.
Adya, is it done? I'm not getting your voice. Adya, unmute yourself. Adya, unmute. No, I'm not able to hear you. Write your answer in chat box. Done? Okay.
Ma'am, the question, ma'am, I wrote this in ascending order, so should I also write this in descending?
Yes, I have asked descending order. Anvit have Anvit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anvit, correct.
Ma'am, it's like a trick, ma'am. Whenever the unlike fractions have the same numerator, you can just put when you can just turn them around like fractions and then compare them. Ma'am, but in the other way, opposite way. In ascending order of like fractions, it will be descending order, and descending order of like.
You are saying that? Yes, say it again. I didn't get.
Ma'am, if you just turn them around, if it's 3 by 7, then it'll be 7 by 3, 11 by 3, and 5 by 3. It'll become like fractions, like ma'am. So just like that, ma'am, if we put them in a descending order, just like in like fractions,
Okay.
ma'am, then it'll be ascending order of unlike fractions. Ma'am, if they have the
Okay.
same numerator, and if you put the descending order of like fractions, then you'll get ascending order of unlike fractions.
Yes, very good, very good. That is also correct. So the cross multiplication is not needed in that case, right?
Yes, ma'am, because the numerators are same.
Yes, but if numerator is not same, then
Ma'am, then we need to follow cross multiplication.
yes.
Ma'am,
Correct. Yes.
ma'am, I sent answer in chat. Is it correct?
Yes. Correct. Aishwarya is correct. Sritej, you did it. You have to. Aishwarya, you have written in a ascending order. Write it in descending order.
Okay.
Adya, I'm not getting. No. I'm not able to hear you. Check your camera setting. I'm not able to hear you. Yes. Only who gave the answer? Only Soumya. Soumya, you also have written in a ascending order. Write it in descending order. Adrit Rao. You have Adrit Rao also have written in a ascending order. Okay, children, we will discuss.
Ma'am, is mine
See.
correct?
Yes, correct. See, children.
Now
Ma'am,
it's
is mine correct?
3 by 7 and 3 by 11. Which number is greater? 3 by 7 and 3 by 11. So if I cross multiply 33 and 21, 3 by 7. Okay, 3 by 7 is greater than 3 by 11. Now we will compare first and third. So 3 by 7 and 3 by 5. Which number is greater?
Ma'am, 3 by 5.
15 and 21. 3 by 5 is greater. So 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 7. Okay. So you can write the greatest number is 3 by 7, then 3 by, sorry, greatest number is 3 by 5, then 3 by 7, then 3 by 11. Okay, children. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is in a descending order. So if you know this rule, you can solve any type of questions. And as your friend, one of the student who said, just turn them or take the reciprocal and that name.
Ma'am, Sritej.
Sritej, yes. So Sritej have told one second method. What is the Sritej method? That is also correct. Now, children, you see both all the fractions having same numerator. Okay. All the fraction is having same numerator. So you just take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means just exchange the numerator and denominator. So take the reciprocal, it would be 7 by 3, it will be 11 by 3, it will be 5 by 3. So now you have converted unlike fraction into like fraction. Okay. If unlike fraction, all the numerator are same. Here all the numerator are same. So just take the reciprocal, exchange the numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator. You will get these fractions. And here they are like fraction. Okay. So like fraction ascending order. Like fraction ascending order will be same as unlike fraction descending order. like fraction ascending order will be same as unlike fraction descending order. Or you can say, see, if I say compare 2 and 3, so here 3 is more. And now if I take the reciprocal, it would be 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be, okay. If I take the reciprocal of number, the greater sign will be changes to lesser sign, okay. Greater sign will be converted to less than sign. Understood, children? So here, which number is greater? 5 by 3 is greater than 7 by 3 is greater than 11 by 3. So this is a, okay, but I have to write, so this is in a reciprocal of fraction, but I have to compare 3 by 5, 3 by 7 and 3 by 11. So this sign, greater sign will be changes to less than sign. So which method is easier, and children, this second method or first one? In which method you are comfortable?
Ma'am, and
First
the second
method.
method. Ma'am, the second method is only for same numerators, ma'am.
Yes, second method is only for the same numerator, but the first method which I have told you, it is applied for all type of fraction. So I think first method will be easy. Will it be easy, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. So we will do few more questions. I am giving you, wait. Yes. Now see, children. Arrange them in a ascending and descending both order. 1 by 12, 1 by 23, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 50, 1 by 9, 1 by 17.
Ma'am, should we do this?
Yes.
Ma'am, should we write in chat?
Yes.
Ma'am, we should write descending or ascending.
Both. Yes. Very good. Children, here the numerator are same, okay? If numerator is same, then the lesser denominator will be greatest. So which fraction have lesser denominator? 5. So this will be the greatest among all. See, the lesser denominator. This is the lesser denominator. So this fraction would be greatest. So 1 by 5 would be greatest. After 1 by 5, which is greater? See, you just see in the when the numerator are equal, you just see, you can compare them by seeing the denominator. So in denominator, the lesser number.
Ma'am, can we do it ourselves?
Yes, you do it. First you do it. Yes, correct. Adrit, correct. Anvit, correct. Adya, right? Adya, you wrote only one fraction. You just arrange them. You have to arrange, right? Arrange all the fraction in ascending and descending order. In denominator, which number is minimum? 5. Okay. So 1 by 5 will be the greater.
Mama sent you descending and ascending order.
Yes, correct. You are correct. Yes, correct. Shritesh, correct. Now children, see. If the numerator is C. Yes, Anvika. Advika. What is the
Ma'am,
answer, Advika?
Ma'am, first I was writing in ascending order.
Hmm.
So I got it as 1 by 5.
Hmm.
And then I got 1 by 7. Then 1 by 9.
Hmm.
Then 1 by 12. Then 1 by 19. Then 1 by 23. And 1 by 50.
Yes, correct. Correct, children. Ashwath, correct. Adya, only you are left. Adya and Soumya.
Mama, I'm not able to understand.
Yes, I will tell you. Let Adya to type.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, is my answer correct?
Who is this?
Ma'am,
Adya. 1 by 5, 1 by 9, 1 by 12. Where is 1 by 7? You did not
Mama.
write 1 by 7.
Ma'am, Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, tell. Yes, your answer is correct. Correct. Aishwarya, correct. So children, please look. Numerator is 1, 1. Numerator is all same. All number are same. So we can arrange them by comparing the denominator. Okay. So the fraction corresponding to lower denominator is the greatest. Okay. Is the greatest. The fraction corresponding to lower denominator is the greatest. And the fraction corresponding to higher denominator is the lowest. Please remember, children. See, you can write it, the fraction corresponding to lower value of denominator is larger then the fraction corresponding to higher value of denominator. Children, if numerator is same, we can compare by seeing its denominator. So denominator 1 by 5. 5 is minimum among all the denominator. So 1 by 5 will be the greatest. Okay. After that 5. 7 is second minimum. Okay. 7 is second minimum. So 1 by 7 will be the second greatest. Okay. 1 by 5 is minimum. So it will be greatest among 5 is minimum among all the denominators. So 1 by 5 will be greatest among all. The fraction having minimum value of denominator will be the greatest among all. Okay. So which fraction having minimum value? 5. So 1 by 5 will be the greatest. Understood, children? The fraction having minimum value in the denominator will be greatest. So 1 by 5, minimum denominator is 5. So 1 by 5 will be greatest. Okay. And after 5, 7 comes. So 1 by 7 will be the next one. After 7, 9 comes. So 1 by 9 will be the next one. After 9, 12 comes. So 1 by 12 will be the next. Okay. So children, the greatest fraction will be 1 by 5. After 1 by 5, 1 by 7. After 1 by 7, 1 by 9. After 1 by 9, 1 by 12. After 1 by 12, 1 by 17. After 1 by 17, 1 by 15. Okay, children. If numerator is same, the fraction corresponding to lower denominator will be the greatest. Soumya, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If the numerator is same, then the fraction corresponding to lower value of denominator will be greatest. So 1 by 5 is greatest, then 1 by 7, then 1 by 9. 1 by 50 will be the least value of fraction. Why? Because 50 is highest. Okay. So 1 by 50 will be least. Understood, children? So you can write if numerator is same. Numerator is same. Fraction corresponding to lower value of denominator is larger than the fraction corresponding to higher value of denominator. Yes.
Where we should write that if the number is
If the
Where-
numerator is same.
no, mom, I'm asking that where we should write that.
Okay, you don't have space.
No, mom.
Okay. So you can write in the last. At last, you can write if numerator is same. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And okay. If numerator is same. Yes. Clear, children?
Ma'am, can you wait? I'm going to copy.
If the numerator is
Ma'am, good evening.
Good evening, madam. Good evening.
How are you?
Fine. What about you?
Missing you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you see me? Can you
Yes.
see? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, none of the children are turning on the cameras.
No, no. They have turned it, but they are in middle. They are keeping it off. Yes. Children, all of you on your camera.
Mama, camera is on.
Yeah.
Kalyan sir.
Yes, children. Now, children, if I say arrange them in a descending order, this is in a descending order.
Ma'am, Kalyan
This
sir.
is,
Ma'am, Kalyan sir.
yes. Okay, okay. Just show where is the Kalyan sir.
Just show.
Hello, hello, sir. How are you? Okay, okay. How is the weather in Hyderabad?
Yes, fine.
Okay, but here in Rajasthan it is very hot.
Wow. You will get in 2-3 days. You'll get rain. Don't worry, ma'am.
Oh, how do you know?
Weather is changing now, ma'am. Here also now it started raining now.
No, but in Hyderabad the rain comes early.
Yes.
Here rain won't come.
Hmm.
Rain will come in the August, September month.
Okay.
Hmm.
Where at Rajasthan, ma'am? You are?
We are in Jodhpur, Sun City.
Good place, ma'am.
Uh,
Sorry to interrupt while your class. I will just call you anytime, ma'am.
yeah, you can come.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay, till 5 you can call.
Huh?
Okay. Okay, children. So is it clear, children?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Children, last question. 3 by 7, 3 by 2, 3 by 13, 3 by 17, 3 by 5. Arrange them in a descending and ascending order. It is very simple. Numerator are same. Okay. Numerator are same. So then the fraction corresponding to lower denominator will be the greatest.
Ma'am, should we type in the chat?
Yes. Adya will type. Adya, type your answer in chat box.
Mom, shall I number it like first? The second one as the second, it is first.
Okay.
Why? Because to search the letters, it is taking like
Okay, no problem. Deepika understood? Okay. Since the numerator are same, so the denominator having the fraction corresponding to lower denominator. So lowest denominator. So which is lowest? Lowest denominator is 2. So this 3 by 2 will be the greatest among all. Okay. So 3 by 2 will be, yes.
Mama, send the descending order. Is it right?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yes, Advika correct. All of you are correct. Yes, Advika correct, Adya correct. Anvit correct. Deepika. Deepika, you have arranged in ascending order, right? This is ascending order. Correct. Adya, type your answer, please. On your webcam, Tarkeshwaram and Adya.
Ma'am, when will the class end?
We are going.